Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make the viral Chili's Nashville hot mozzarella sticks, so let's get started with the video. Begin by cutting a block of mozzarella cheese into big rectangular pieces. When you're finished, set your pieces of mozzarella cheese to the side. Next, in a bowl, add 1 cup of flour. Then, in another bowl, add 3 eggs. Next, add 1 tablespoon of water, then beat the eggs with a whisk until smooth. Next, in another bowl, add 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, you can begin coating your mozzarella sticks. Begin by coating the mozzarella stick in flour. Then coat it in the egg wash. Then in the breadcrumbs. Then coat it once again in the egg wash. And then once again in the breadcrumbs. When you're finished, place it on a tinfoil covered baking sheet. Repeat this process with all of your mozzarella sticks. When you're finished, place the mozzarella sticks in the freezer for an hour. Before you take the mozzarella sticks out of the freezer, pour vegetable oil in a pan and heat it up to around 350 degrees. Once the oil is hot and ready, take the mozzarella sticks out of the freezer and begin frying them. Place around 2 to 3 mozzarella sticks at a time so you don't overcrowd the pan, and then let them cook for around 1 minute or until crispy and golden brown. Also, make sure to flip the mozzarella sticks so they cook evenly on both sides. When the mozzarella sticks are finished cooking, take them out of the pan and place them on a wire rack. Then repeat this process with the rest of your mozzarella sticks. Once you finish frying the mozzarella sticks, we can move on and make the Nashville hot sauce. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then mix everything together until well combined. Next, add a 1/2 cup of the hot oil you used to fry your mozzarella sticks. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, coat the mozzarella sticks in the Nashville hot sauce. After coating the mozzarella sticks, place them on a wire rack. This is optional, but after placing the mozzarella sticks on a wire rack, you can add even more Nashville hot sauce. Once you've coated all the mozzarella sticks in the Nashville hot sauce, you are all done. Now all that's left to do is plate it up. And this is the finished result! These mozzarella sticks were so good and seasoned to perfection. I definitely recommend giving these a try because not only are they easy to make, but they're super good. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!